Saan mo? Dahil ako.
I would like to introduce my dear office mate, Alan Bunker. We are very proud of you. Please follow our blogger, Ruby Inspired, content creator, our appraiser, dancer, singer, professional host.
I am Miss B, your bombastic host from Iloilo City. Hey, hello mga kabangbang. We are currently here at Rojas because we will be hosting Paus and John's wedding at Maria's Village and Aquarium sa Culahaw. So let's go! From the main road, merong karatula, Maria's Village and Aqua Farm. So let's go see. And let's ask them. Hi! Pwede ka pa picture? Pwede ka pa picture? Okay lang? Thank you. Hey! Thank you, Joss and Romnick! Welcome to Culahaw to me. Thank you. You won't get lost kasi may mga signages. Hello! Sa wedding?
Sa wedding.
Pau ha?
Sige. Diyan kami.
Okay, nandun ata yung reception. So look, di ba? Bongga! Grabe! So nice! Look! And we will be staying here. Sa stage. So this is the stage. That's the chair of the newlywed. That's the cake. Later, ayun na yung cake. And look, 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 look. Grabe, di ba? Pak! Yay! Thank you so much, Manong Shu! Mic check time.
Ah, yes!
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Marco. And I'll bring you here sa ating kasama mamaya. Yun! Pack na pack, kuya! Thank you so much! Kaway-kaway? Yeah! Kaway-kaway sa loob? Sa loob, sa loob, sa loob! Ay, busy! Isang padyak na ba dyan?
Scatter.
Ay! Busy sa scatter. Wow! Pumasok na yung lechon! Yay! And we have here the bar later. Ikaw ma-serve, sir? Yes, from company?
Panitan.
Panitan, anong company, sir?
Changkat Mix Club.
Changkat Mix Club, yes! And of course, the catering service from?
Maria's Village Aqua Farm.
Siyempre, yung mga supportive na crew na to, rin, ay, I like the energy, Kagina. Sample nga dyan dong! Of course, from RR Productions, yan na. Voice rest and we'll have our warm water. Thank you. Yeah. Sangki ka. Pak na pa.
I love you, Mom!
Para na sila. Sinaliit akong baby hair. Hindi na mapunggan. Ayun, ang baby hair. Saved by Sir Marco. Thank you. Oh, di ba? Manahimik ka sa buhay mo. Kaya. Every one of us has a deep desire to love From high school classmates, naging magbarkada, at sa araw na ito, finally, John made the right choice. Good evening, everyone! Alright! Could you consider this as an evening or afternoon? Energy check tayong lahat! Sino diri ang taga-kapil? Ay, abaw! Diri lang din na sa kapil. Saan na pa ng luya? Kamu ba ito gutom na ka ba mo gani? Kung gutom na ka mo, dapat isang masigamong giyawan. Sino ang mga taga-kapil? Sino ang taga-romblon? Ayun, gusto ko namin na lang ang palakpak isapa-isapa. Sino ang taga-romblon? Yeah! Sino pa ang naghalin sa Manila? Alright! And of course, we also have from... Bakit may malipatan ako? Halin sa Aklan! Nakta ang mga taga-Aklan. How about from Palawan? From Cavite! One and only, sir? Kanan ka mo sa Cavite? Cavite and Romblon. Grabe. Palawan. So, syempre, naraman kita import outside the Philippines. Nasaan na? Where is, sir? From United States, where are you? Where are you, mga kaway from the United States? Alright, there you go, sister. Good afternoon, good evening. Kasi mga bago pa lang bugtaw kay nagpahuwan. Good morning to all of you. May isa ako ka game sa inyo. The person who will answer this question right will get the privilege to take the dinner first.
Dave po, Dave.
Sharon.
Kuya, makipag-away. Dito ako na yung basta kananay mo. What is the favorite color of the couple? Dali long! English yun eh. Ligay nun. Kung para hindi ka makasabat. Sige ha. Anyway. Okay. At the count. What is the favorite color of the couple? In 3, 2, 1.
Pink.
Lilac or violet?
Pink?
Pink, lilac, or violet? Sino gusto mag-steal? I'm unique. What is the favorite color of the couple, John and Joyce?
It's blue.
Blue, correct! Congratulations! Team Iloilo, Table Iloilo, you will be the first to eat later. Congratulations! Let us all welcome from the team groom, the groomsman and the best man, Philip, Anthony, Aaron, Mark, Joshua, Jezreel, Tyree, and Irvin. Alright, thank you so much! And let us all welcome Team Bride, Jegan, Cristal, Bayan, Jelly, Arian, Phoebe, and Lou. Wow! Pasabog ng Team Bride now. Let us all welcome the bride and the groom. You can now dance your wife, John.
It didn't start from the day we met, but it started from friendship, which was unexpected. I remember when we were both single, we jokingly said to each other that if you're still single, when we reach 30, kita na lang tayo na yadwa. And here we are now, more than 6 years in the relationship, and almost 30, exchanging our vows in front of God. Love, thank you for loving me unconditionally, and for staying through the tough times. I will not promise that our relationship will be perfect, but I vow to understand you more, to be patient and be kind, and try not to be easily angered, and to choose you every day. I love you so much, love. You're my answered prayer.
Yeah. Whatever happens in our life, promise to listen when you don't feel heard. I promise to see you when you don't feel seen. I promise to always say I love you before I grow up. I promise to always be your headline. I promise to work hard, not just because you deserve it, but because we deserve it. Thank you, I love you.
As a sign of our support for the newlyweds, ang vows will be given to your tables and you can pin your gifts to the couples.
Today, as I look at my radiant daughter, Pauline, I can't help but feel a mixture of emotions. Pride, joy, and a touch of nostalgia.
Remember how we laughed until we cried at the most stupid things that we were so high.
It feels like just yesterday, the little girl I held in my arms is now a stunning bride. Pao, you have grown into a remarkable woman, and my heart is bursting with pride.
But John, when we met, just different. We have that spark. Maybe the same spark as Pauline felt when she fell in love with John. John made me feel like I belong.
Sa amon niya, very gentleman si Jan, di ba? So, I love you. I love you, Ma'am Jules. I love you. I love ko na sila nga, di ba? So, Tani, we can't wait to see little Jan and little Joyce nga magupod man sa amon diri sa atong pagbarkadahay. And wala, I'm just so happy para sa inyo nga duwa.
We just want to say that we're proud of you today, and we're even more proud of what you will become in the future as you build your family. Always remember that your stronghold is the Lord. Build your home with God in the center.
The best thing that I got, wedding is just for one day, but marriage is everlasting.
So always stay true and faithful to each other, because there are so many temptations in the near future or maybe in the far future, but if you stay true and faithful to each other, your marriage will be unbreakable.
And my prayer, here it is, in Numbers chapter 6, verses 24 to 26. The Lord bless you and keep you both. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. God bless you.
Ang favorite ko dito is the word endure, no? Like sportsmanship. Sa sports, pirmigin na nga, kung gusto mo maging winner sa sports, dapat may endurance ka. Kung gusto mo man maging winner sa inyong relationship, dapat aragid ang endurance na whatever it takes, mag-push gid kuya, masigig-sige gid kuya, nga palanggakon si John kag si Joyce. Thank you, Engineer Mame and Attorney, and hambal mo kagina, hindi gid kuya maguntat kay may game na naman kita. Ready na ka mo? Yes! Hindi ko magkasautan. Hindi ko nalabanan. Okay! What is the couples? What is the couple's favorite coffee? What is the couple's favorite coffee? Paukanay! Alright! What's your name?
My name is Jay. Couple's favorite coffee is macchiato.
South sa mga sitter na.
Kayo nagsauta. One more! Alright! Congratulations! Is caramel macchiato, pero consider dahil sumayaw ka. Congratulations!
What is their pet name? But before anything else, good evening, everyone! Hello! Buhay na buhay pa ba tayo? Alright. Their pet name is... Friends, what's the answer in 3, 2, 1? Ayun yung answer, it's love.
Love or God, congratulations. Ano ngalan mo?
I'm Sam.
Sam. Thank you, Sam. Single?
Let's talk about it later.
Well, let's talk about it later.
Still single?
Yay! Thank you so much! Nano ko to? Ay! Saan ako doon?
I introduce my friend Pierre. Berami. Come on. You can do it.
Come on, Fiel. You can do it. Palangga, tagid ka, love. I love you so much, Ga.
Thank you so much, guys.
Promise,
Promise.
I will never, ever, forever break your heart.
I will never, ever, forever break your heart.
Your achy, breaky heart.
Your achy, breaking heart. Magandang hapon sa lahat. Una-una, thank you kay Lord God for giving us a wonderful weather na hindi tayo inulanan. At sa mga pumunta, salamat, maraming salamat. Alam ko malalayo pa yung mga lugar nyo. And appreciate namin ni Joyce, ang mga presence nyo ngayon, mga ninangs, ninongs, friends, guests sa lahat, sa mga nag-effort, sa mga sa lahat, sa mga pumunta. Thank you so much at thank you talaga.
Especially to all our families and friends who are very supportive from the start sa pag-plan sa wedding. Thank you so much. Especially sa amon nga parents, and sa amon nga mga siblings nga ever since day one are again to advise us and to guide us, especially in our relationship.
2, 3, and 5 points right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5, and slide. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4. Isang matamis na alin naman dyan! Yay!
Ambush interview tayo. Eto siya. John, how long did it took you to decide na, John, finally, this is the right choice for you?
Actually, matagal na.
So what pushes you to say, oh, magpapakasal na kami?
Right time na maka-right age. 6 years na kami. So, it's time naman na okay man naman love niya.
Okay ang love, ang right time lang gid ya nga mahambal mo nga nothing can change everything. Biskan bagyo sa ano ganito.
Nagsaka siya sa barko.
Nagsaka sa barko, no biskan ano nga bagyo, wala na gid may nakatira sa inyo.
Ganito.
Ay, thank you.
Una ka moment, una ka kaya. Thank you.
Fireworks, we're done! Yay! Congratulations! Congratulations! Yay! Partner ko, congratulations!
Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimti. Ruby Inspire!